Oh, we've all been there before. You grab your cheap portable tire inflator, hook it up. Halfway through the second tire, the pitch starts to change. The plastic gears have melted, and it's officially dead on the side of the road. Rest in peace, Moto Master Pump. Today, though, we're looking at something that claims to solve that exact problem. The Inflate IQ by RimIQ. They sent me this unit to test out, and over the last 4 months, I've put it through the ringer. Is it worth the premium price tag? Let's find out. Welcome back to Suburban Redneck Garage. Right out of the box, the Inflate IQ comes in a hard shell case with a pretty smart split design. Powering it on is simple, just press and hold. You've got a plus and minus button for your PSI, a mode select for different tire types, and a built-in flashlight for those roadside emergencies in the dark. It comes with a standard ball and bike attachment, plus a quick flow tip. I've actually used that one to inflate some balloons for my kid's birthday party recently. Was it easy on the lungs? Yes. Was it fast? Not really. My wife was able to beat it every time. Now, for power, you get a USB A to C cable and a 12-volt connector you plug in the car. You can charge the pump via the USB-C or even use the pump as a power bank for your phone. But here's the catch. The unit will not run while it's charging via USB-C. Luckily, you can use that 12-volt connector from your car to plug it in directly to keep working. Now, I've been wrenching for a lot of years at this point, and I tend to care a lot about how things are built on the inside. Most inflators are going to fail because they're using plastic gears. The Inflate IQ uses durable metal gears. That means it costs a bit more upfront, but it's also backed with a lifetime warranty, which you just don't see very often anymore. It's also surprisingly quiet and fast for its size. I wanted to give this a real workout before reviewing it and posting it, so I used it for some tire swaps on my buddy's Mazda 3, plus I've also been using it on the Golf, the truck, the CRV, everything over the last few months. Being able to set the desired PSI and just walk away and knowing it'll turn off is huge. My old 12-volt pump also had that feature, but it constantly overshot the pressure. The Inflate IQ has been dead on accurate every time. But it's not all perfect. First, let's talk about battery life, because this was almost a deal breaker for me at first. I tried topping off 4 tires, and the battery went from green to red before I was even finished. I was initially pretty annoyed with that. But then I realized that the expected use case for a machine this small, it's designed to inflate 1 tire from empty to full, or do some quick grab and go top offs. Most people aren't topping up 4 tires by 15 to 20 psi all at once. My old plug-in pump could run all day, but I had to constantly reposition my vehicle just to get the tires close enough to the cord. The Inflate IQ lets you bring the pump to the tire wherever it is. This has honestly sped up my workflow so much in the yard that I don't think I could go back to my old pump. By the way, if you're finding this honest real-world testing helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I've got a lot of new DIY and review videos coming up, and I do my best to respond to every single comment that you leave down below. Another thing, this unit gets hot after running for a few minutes. The hose especially transfers a lot of heat. After 4 tires, you know that this thing has been working hard. That being said, because of those metal gears, the motor pitch never changes or whines, unlike those plastic gears that slowly sound like they're starting to die. So to wrap it up, the Inflate IQ actually surprised me. I use it way more than I thought I would. It stores beautifully, no tangled wires, and the inflation speed is impressive for the size. I wouldn't mind if a future version was slightly taller or bigger with a bigger battery, but as it sits, it's a solid piece of kit. With the metal gears and that lifetime warranty, it gives you a lot of peace of mind. Check out the links in the description below to find out more, and I'll catch you in the next one.